Good morning. Alright, I did a bit of development yesterday, and I did a little change to the boss room, so now it doesn't start until you walk out here. So now, it seems like there's a little bug with this rock not making it to the boss and registering. So we might bug test that, but I think besides that, I think we might add a rumbling noise when the rocks are falling. It just seems to make sense to have them have a rumbling noise. So I guess I'll do that. We'll add a rumbling audio source to this. I'm wondering if I think I should make the player... I think I should make the player's camera actually rumble. Okay, we have the falling rocks. Just literally just move the camera. Okay, so... I think I'll just do the same thing here. I'm also thinking I want to add a noise to the queen when she gets hurt, or I think when you enter it's going to be like a screaming noise. I wonder if I should find something off free sound and then like edit it, or... Yeah, we'll see. Hold on one second. That's really loud on my mic. Alright, so the question is, what would an alien sound like? I'm also thinking maybe making this with a synth. I mean, we've got basic synths in what is a rhythm track? Okay. I feel like potentially a tone or a chirp. Can we make it just 1 second? There we go. You know what? It's good I had the audio muted for that, because that would have hurt your guys' fucking ears. Jesus Christ, that's horrible. So Audacity, I knew Audacity does not have good synths. The question is like, do I really want to? I almost think it's better for me to just record like a, like I don't know what I want though. I almost think I want like a, like a, I don't know how to describe it, like a screech, or like a scream. Hmm. Hey, you know what? Let's just try recording some stuff. I also think, actually, so there's also another noise. Now that I think about this, kind of like the in Metal Gear, there is like a noise when you get caught or seen. It's like doo. I want to do like a noise like that when you get attacked in the game, and that will actually be able to be done with just a little synth. Hold on, where is it? Which one is the SFXR? Potentially we could just do this with a random sound effect too. Actually, I should have mutated that last one. I'm actually thinking now I want to do some like creepy now that I'm looking at the sound effects, I'm like I want to do a bunch of sound effects through like back in the cave. I actually want to do like a noise coming from like the crystals, like a ringing noise. I think that would actually be really creepy. Yeah, I'm just gonna do this with 3x oscillator. I have more control. So I said I want it to like ring. That sounds like some sort of old, sounds like a modem or something. so the envelope doesn't actually apply. Wait, I'm confused. Why is the envelope not working all the way? So it works, but it never makes it completely go away. That's really weird. I swear the envelope was supposed to completely fade out. I wonder if maybe I need to use cutoff. I don't think so. I think cutoff is different. That's really weird. Maybe there's something I'm missing about how the envelope works, but maybe it's after you let go of the note. Yeah, actually, I think it is. Is this low pass not working? Shouldn't this, with such a low cutoff frequency, shouldn't it be cutting off like everything? Yeah, I guess it's just like the resonance. Alright, so this is supposed to be ringing and annoying. It's supposed to like disorient the player. I think that does sound disorienting. Man, I hate how LMMS's file browser doesn't give you access to your like recent files or like quick access stuff. I have to click through my like documents and folders every single time I want to get to the game. I should actually look that up if there's a way to do that. Alright, now I still think I want to do... So the question is, do I want to attach this audio to the crystals, or do I want to also do this? I think I want to also do that when you get attacked. Maybe I'll do a modified, try to do a modified version of this for like the queen. Maybe with some reverb or something. like change over time. So I think a good way of doing that would actually be automating the speed to go down. But this is, oh my god, this is gonna be, yeah dude, LMMS's automation here is really fucking annoying for really small values like this 0.001. It's gonna be, I think, basically impossible to automate. We'll have to see. LMS manually set automation values. Like, I don't see how I could possibly get this to be set to 0.001 with my mouse. Like, there's no fucking way. Exact automation values. Problem is, the value is almost impossible to set exactly in the automation editor. Setting a value to an exact dial rate is easily. Set the dial to the value you want. Double click the dial, write the value you like to use. Now get an automation track. Drag the dial into the automation track. Now you can sync the value. I also know that you can drag in the automation track. The problem is it doesn't allow me to automate from one particular tempo sync, say eighths, to another, say fourths, within the same automation block. This seems to require being able to accurately set the value inside the editor itself. No, that's why you should use several different synchronized automation blocks and sync. Oh my god, this guy's a fucking idiot, man. He doesn't realize how much harder that is to do. Maybe I was fuzzy in my explanation. Here's an example. Open instrument, go to LFO, choose sync, open editor of a synchronized automation block, go to ENV. Okay, so this only works with blocks. This actually doesn't work for interpolating, which is exactly what you want to do in most cases. Let's try this. Oh my god, it doesn't fucking work. This guy's a liar. This guy's a Weasley little liar. What's up with people giving suggestions on forums that don't even work? Can't drag a second dial into an existing automation block. Fucking-exactly. Like, this guy doing these super complex answers, and he doesn't even know what the original poster is asking about. And the crazy thing is, I just read this in 3 minutes and immediately understood what OP was complaining about. Holy shit, man. Close that automation block. When you want to change, open a new one, drag that new value into that. Unless you're changing the sync time every note or two. Same automation block. For example, if I want to sync to a different tempo within 1 bar, this seems to require being able to accurately sync the tempo within the automation block, or as Slipstick said, being able to drag a synced value. Oh my god, so the answer is to actually set XML data directly for the automation. Such stupid design, man. This shit right here is why people hate Linux. So there's a bunch of Linux developers that see no problem with regular users having to deal with like manually setting XML. And this is exactly why regular people fucking hate Linux in a lot of cases, because like it's like, yeah, sure, there's probably a bunch of people who are programmers, and like I guess I can do this too, where you can fix it. You can drag custom XML to fix it, but at the end of the day it should just work out of the box. Like, the fact that people need to even find these custom code solutions like this, shit like this is why people hate Linux software. Like, the fact is, people saying like Like, so this person basically saying that it's okay that you have to copy this XML. Like, basically, instead of making the software better and actually work properly, these people are saying, oh, you can just copy custom XML. And you see this shit all the time with Linux. It's like, oh, we don't need to make this desktop environment work out of the box. People can install a bunch of these libraries to do that stuff for them. It's like, the fact that you have to find these workaround solutions for shit that's just supposed to work and, like, out of the box. I love that this post ends with a solution and it's, like, not viable at all. Oh my god. So, okay, this doesn't make sense. Did you just see this? I was just on the LMS forums, and it didn't give me a security warning. So, okay, this is what I don't understand. I was literally just on this website, lmms.io, and there was no security warning. Now I have gone to the website again, and it says the certificate is bad. Yeah, is it the www, do you think? Oh my god, you're right. It's the www. Wait. That doesn't make sense. Why? Wait, it's not going to www anymore. What the fuck? Okay, so here's the question now. Why did Google take me to www when none of these links are www? Hold on a second. I am actually so confused. Okay, so look at this. So on Google, the link is to lmms.io. In my history, it took me... Oh my god, it's not there as www anymore. Dude, wait, hold on. Oh my god, I just had it up and it said www. What the fuck? Man, I actually think my Firefox is bugging out. This doesn't make sense. Now it's telling me in my history I didn't go to www. I don't think it's Google. I think it's Firefox. I think Firefox, for whatever reason, lms.io URL. Yeah, there's no www here in the URL. So for whatever reason, Firefox just decided to take me to www out of nowhere. Like, the weirdest part for me is that the inconsistency that it just took me to www, but when I actually see a redirect, yeah, see, it doesn't. Like, it literally doesn't make sense. Why did that? So I clicked this link, and like, just like I did now, and it took me to it took me to a different URL. It took me to www.lmms.io. If, like, man, as a programmer, seeing literal RNG happen in something that's supposed to be like a fixed, like, seeing my computer do RNG with like URLs kind of scares me. Kind of scares me, dude. I'm also kind of pissed that there's no way to do this in LMS. Minor inconsistency, it's fine. See, I don't think it's minor because, like you saw, the www resulted in an incorrect SSL certificate error. So like I don't think that's insignificant. It literally blocked me from going to the site, and then when I retried it loaded correctly and didn't go to www. Like really weird. Man, the crazy thing is there are so many people asking how you manually set one. Oh my god, is it when you right click? Oh my, oh wait, no, this one's www. This one is www. This link is actually www. So here we go, here's an actual broken link. See, lots of website even large with broken www certificate. Yeah, it's because you need a second certificate just for www. It's kind of dumb. Like, hold on. I think my site is broken with w. Oh wait, no, actually, I have a www certificate as well. But yeah, dude, you have to manually set up their certificate to also support www. So it's kind of like, I get it. Oh my god, so this guy can never set it down to completely zero. It only goes to 0.044 because he can't drag it low enough. Dude, that would bug the shit out of me. Automation is for the whole track. The last value in automation will be the set value until a new value is set, and that also gives you an answer on how to achieve what you want. No way to manually put in values on the automation editor. It's hard to try and move the points in the automation editor. You have to look at the value shown in the black box at the moment. Are these like, are the developer, man, LMS is amazing, but I see some of this shit and I'm just like, what the fuck are the creators of LMS smoking? Like, this is the same guy that was in the other post saying, oh yeah, but you can use custom XML files to do this. And he agrees, you understand the need for the option, but you have to look at the value shown in the black box. Except he completely ignored, like, man, I can't believe it. I have just read someone, like, I've read like two or three posts of this guy on the LMS forums and I fucking hate him. He literally responds to these people and just says like, yeah, your problem isn't a problem, but no, I don't know how to fix your problem. It's like, why the fuck are you even posting on the forum then? The internet's full of that shit though. So I swear to God there is a way to do this. Like I think I can do like a record or something. Like there should be a way for me to record the automation values at this specific point. Dude, what the fuck? Did it? Why? Wait, what? It just brought up. I'm so confused. It just brought up your problem is your problem. Yeah, no, but there's like 3 forum posts of people literally saying exactly what I'm asking for. So I mean, it's not just my problem. So this is really weird. I have a global song automation right here. And then when I click edit song global automation, oh yeah, I gotta move my camera over here so that it's not blocking everything. Then when I do edit global song automation, it brings up this like, this is a non-global song automation. This is like a local automation that isn't even global. What the fuck? So what would be the way? There has to be a way to directly set values here. Using a second sample. I would like to be at exact value. How do I give an exact value? Am I missing some exact method, or is there a more elegant way? You can set the dial to the exact value, drag this into an empty automation track. Value is inserted into that track container. I do not know if the value will be precise, but the drag to exact value method is neat. Oh my god, it's this same fucking guy, dude. He responds to every forum post and then closes the forum post and doesn't even answer the fucking question. This is why people hate forums now. It's fucking people like that, man. Restarting app, fix everything if you can save. This has nothing to do with restarting. It's not like a bug. It's like a lack of a feature. It's like having a decimal value that you need to be 0.001, but then you can only change it by moving your mouse, so you get it to values like 0.001672345. The hilarious thing is, since like 2014, there's been people asking about this shit and they still haven't added it. And it's like such a simple thing that could already be supported. All they need to do is make this drag to copy work for other blocks. So like if you drag this onto this block, it set this block to that value. It's all it would, like, they literally have all the functions they need to do this. They just need to add a response to a mouse drag event. New features for Patreon support. See, this is supposed to be fully open source Linux software that doesn't even have a Patreon as far as I'm aware. Maybe they have a Patreon now, but I kind of thought even Patreon went against like GPL. They don't actually say they're licensing here, right? Man, Firefox is getting pretty shit. Firefox is adding some new stuff that just like ruins the browser. Lots of software and development sucks these days. Yeah, GPL. Yeah, I agree GPL sucks. I use MIT for all of my stuff. GPL is really restrictive, which is kind of ironic when the whole point of like open source is supposed to be free, but it's like then you get the open source guys that are like, "No, it's only free if you do it the way I want it. It's not free if you disobey me." Okay, so this is the... Oh, man, this is so dumb. I wonder if there's a way to specifically record... Let me look this up. LMS record automation, or manually set automation keyframe. GPL will protect the software from being sold by someone else, like, you know, OBS versus SLOBS. OBS also has a GPL 2.0 license. Yeah, it only really applies if they have the money to actually enforce it. And I guess SLOBS isn't free, and OBS being under GPL is the only... SLOBS is open source, and the only reason it's open source is because GPL 2. So I get that that's the logic behind GPL, in that it makes other software developers post their code open source as well. But at the end of the day, I don't think it actually stops people from like copying any of this shit, or CC0 is the true public domain, is the real freedom. Record automation while paused. Is there a way I can record automation while paused? Yep, I guess there's absolutely no way to do this. This is insane, because technically I could go to record here, and I should be able to set the automation during recording, and it'll actually record it here. As far as I'm aware, like, it's amazing how many features this software has for being free, but at the same time it's lacking super basic features that make stuff so much easier. Link to control an automation track. Click the gear on the side of it, and there should be an option for recording. Turn all recording on. Holy shit. Can this do it? This is the question. Does it only record if you're playing? Oh my god! It's so close to letting you do it, but it resets. Oh my fucking god. Add new features yourself, commit your modification to main project. So creators of software can answer like this. It's open source, so do it yourself. Yeah, that is a... See, yeah, I don't know. I think I would probably get annoyed at their code and just want to make my own. So how do I press play without having it restart? Oh god, that was loud. Alright, well, yeah, it's the way it is. There is, yeah, we're stuck with it. This is weird. This is supposed to look like a Bezier curve, but it does not. Do you see this like flat line right here? That's not really a Bezier now that I look at it. You see how flat that line is? It says this is a Bezier curve or cubic Hermite. Oh, it's not Bezier. Oh my god, it's not Bezier. Man, that actually sounds like a decent synth. God damn it. I didn't mean to do that. It's supposed to sound bad. Fuck. Oh my god. The zooming actually isn't even that good. I feel like I need to make it like what is GSM? I don't know what that did, but it's actually not bad. to call it besides just like Queen Alert. I'm thinking while I'm doing this, since this is going to be played when the player gets attacked, or the disorienting one is going to get played at least. I think I'm going to do a I want to do a blood splatter, like shows up on the screen. The question is though, how do I do a blood splatter? And maybe I already have. No. What is this? Oh, this is from the terrain. Cool, I didn't realize you could actually look at the splat map for the terrain. Man, I have to say, textures.com is like getting even more insane. They now have actual 3D scans like Quixel. Alright, so I mean, textures.com has some pretty amazing blood splatters. So I think we'll probably just go with one of these. Although, on the other hand, I do kind of like to do some art myself. Let's see if we can mock up a quick blood splatter. So it's just going to be like a texture that's thrown up on the screen when you get attacked, and then it's going to fade away for like after like half a second. So the idea is that we're gonna take some, okay, that's really bad. We're gonna do some like random splotches, and I'm gonna apply noise to them. Or maybe a little bit of cloudiness. Do you see this? Man, maybe my GPU's dying. Maybe that's why my computer's messing out. Do you see this, this grid vibrating in the background? It's like very subtle. Let me see if it happens when I zoom in. I'm guessing it's because of this being rendered or something. That's so weird, it's not happening anymore. Huh. Map's broken? Yeah, who knows? Who knows? Okay, let's try this. Then we'll add a layer of noise. Or clouds. Apply that as multiply. Oh my god, I forgot that paint.net is kind of bad. Or not just kind of bad. Paint.net is pretty fucking shit in that it doesn't keep alpha. When you do a multiply, it doesn't actually multiply the alpha together. It's kind of a fucking lie. And then this shit doesn't work either. Holy shit. Multiply, keep transparency. Maybe my paint.net is bugged then. The alpha channel works the same way. If a pixel is transparent, it will make no contribution. You can literally see right here, this whole background is transparent. And when we apply it, oh shit, when we apply it, it applies it even to the alpha pixels. So either the developer themselves doesn't understand how their own program works, which seems insane to me, or this is actually a bug. If a pixel has alpha 0, it will make no contribution. Maybe alpha needs black color on top. Yeah, no, it would work if you have black color on top, but that means it's not alpha. Like the fact that it ignores alpha here, like the end result completely throws away the alpha from the original picture. That just seems completely wrong to me. It's ignoring alpha in the sense then just throwing it away. Does not multiply alpha on color? No, but it also doesn't apply alpha to the color, which alpha means that shouldn't even be color there. Where alpha is 0, nothing should happen, because there's technically no color there because it's multiplied by an alpha is 0. Like if alpha represents the actual detail or something being there, then where alpha is 0, no color or anything should be there, and it shouldn't even do any of these operations. You can make alpha as black/white mask and first apply it to noise, then multiply it to this. Yeah. You're saying that I can do a bunch of workarounds to have the same effect as alpha. My whole thing here is that alpha is not working as alpha. It's not that there isn't other ways to do this. It's that this basically defeats the purpose of having alpha. Like if the alpha doesn't actually affect what parts of the image are changed, then it's defeating the point of even having alpha. Converting transparent colors to transparent black wouldn't help. Adding a black layer is the lowest level help. Black should go through to the middle layer. Works like this in OpenGL with multiply operations. It multiplies channels and alpha is just channel. What? No, it doesn't. It does what operation you tell it to do. You can literally set the blending function for each channel in OpenGL to either like multiply or add or whatever. Oh my god, it doesn't have the effect of alpha. Holy fuck. God fucking damn it, dude. Oh, this is like such a basic shit, man. I like how all the people here acknowledge that this is a really weird, strange way of doing it. And the developers are just like, oh, it doesn't fucking matter, we have a plugin. Some other user did our work for us. Yeah, these people are just suggesting workarounds now instead of how alpha should actually work. Dude, I need to make my own image editor. That's what I need to do. I just need to make my own fucking image editor at this point. Shader toy as image editor. See, that is the question. I've thought about making an image editor, and I kind of think I should make it with C, because I've thought about doing an in-browser image editor, and I think JavaScript would be fucking horrible, like not being able to save to files instantly, like not having access to actual file read and write, having to go through file dialogues, and just like WebGL being generally slower. But I don't know, at the same time, having a good image editor just in browser would be fucking amazing. And then with JavaScript and GLSL, you could support like custom plugins where people can do effects and brushes with GLSL. It would be awesome. In Electron, you could direct IO to files. That's true. If I exported the JavaScript as a native app, I would be able to do that. But my whole plan is that I wouldn't export the JavaScript as a native app. Only multiply alpha. Okay, so I literally already have a plugin to do this. So this was wasting time, probably, because I in a way I already know a workaround for this. I literally just wanted to see if alpha could work properly. So in our first of all, we could just select all of these. Hold on. Select all of this, and then go to this layer, and then render the clouds only into that part. And there we go. There it has masking. Boom. And then we can apply our distortion. Man, I made this uncentered. What the fuck? I can't the selection box is bugged. I literally got the selection box stuck where it I think I think this app, maybe Paint.net, this version I have, might be kind of buggy. Seeing that like checkerboard there bug out, I'm kind of scared that it did like a buffer overflow in the background, and it's all downhill from here now. It's just like overwriting RAM in the background. It's about to crash. Alright, so I think I should do jitter and then dents. Add like some little bits of imperfection. Or maybe I should do that afterwards, but then add some dents. So everything is scaled by the refraction. At least it looks like. Alright, that's not bad. There's our blood splat. Alright, so that's going to randomly display on the screen when the player gets injured. Technically, I should scale this up. Wish there was a way to like normalize size or whatever it is, like match this to there. Alright, that should be good. I guess I'll put it under, I feel like putting it under textures because we already have so many stuff under the models folder. Man, my folder categorization leaves a lot to be desired. The models is actually full of like textures and everything. I just sort of dragged everything in there. So I think the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try and add this noise to the crystals. Because I want to see if it's annoying, like too annoying, or spatial blending for this, and we'll have the volume roll off over like maybe 100 units. let's see how that sounds. We'll put the player here. It's not really attenuating. It's not really getting like any more quiet. Okay, so I know I want the volume to attenuate more. So I think it's because I'm doing the logarithmic roll-off right here. Okay, so with the logarithmic roll-off, it does never reach 0, it looks like, which is kind of disappointing. I feel like this might be too loud, we'll see. Yeah, that's pretty fucking loud. Let's see how quiet it gets. Okay, yeah, so logarithmic is definitely what we're going for. But 100, I wish there was a way we could like scale. Actually, this looks like it kind of works. Let's see how this is. Nope, it never reaches 0. Okay, that seems like a really stupid way of doing this. Like, should I literally just drag this to 0? Just with custom roll off. So it goes down to 0 at the end. Let's see how that works. I should almost just do the linear roll off. Linear roll off with 50. And then I think probably make the volume a bit more quiet because it is kind of loud. Yeah, it's just, at this point, it's supposed to be subtle. Okay. That is decent. And I do want to put multiple of these. We're we're gonna put another one over here. I'm thinking we could actually get this game done today, or polished enough that I'm happy with it. Alright, I want more of a slight hum than that. Yeah, I think the range for that one is good. I just want lower volume. Nice, so now it's just like a little hum. Let's do the same for the other one. Let's see how that... I think this one might still be too loud. We'll see. Oh, fuck. I should still make it more quiet. How does it sound when I like change the pitch? So quiet. Alright, now I also want to add it to this section. Alright, I think that's good. So now I want to play that whenever the character gets attacked. So, where is the code? It's either jumping, something with the spider. Either spider trigger or... Which one is it? Let's go to attack spiders. Face bug. Ah, yes, face bug. What a bad name for a C# script. So I think we have... So I think we should put the audio source just on the player. Oh, I don't know. Because it's going to be right on his head. I don't know if I want to just add an audio source that's just constantly on the player. I think I'll just add it to the map. And then set it as like... See, this is the issue, is I need it accessible to all of these scripts, but I don't want to go through all of the scripts and add a reference to an audio source. So I need like some sort of like static audio source that I can just call from here. So I'm thinking, yeah, I'm just going to make a class. Actually, I'm just thinking, if I want to do... I also want to do the blood splatter on the screen. To do that, I'm going to need to modify the canvas. Do I want to just add it wherever? Oh, that rendered it as a sprite, not as a UI image. Okay. Alright, so that's going to be... So we need to disable raycastable, I think. Disable this by default. And then I guess I'll add a reference to it under player. And then it can access that from the player. So then I guess I'll just put the disorienting noise under the player too. Yeah, I don't really see any other good way of doing that. Overlay image, blood splat. Wait. Maybe the overlay image. I don't think I ever did anything with the overlay image. So this is just set to a color. So, oh my god, I could reuse the overlay image for the blood splatter. I don't even need this second object, I don't think. Nah, I'm just gonna use the blood splatter because it's easier. Oh yeah, and if I wanted to make some disorienting noise, I could just add it to the ow SFX here. So let's display blood splat. And then we need to set up a random screen space Okay, there's a few things actually I'm looking at here. I want to add a little dying animation so it actually delays before killing you. And we're going to go back to the starting forest here to test out the getting damaged. So I don't just want to enable the blood splat. I want to also change the transform and things. So I can't remember what coordinates you set. I know you set like size delta to set the size, so I could set a random size, but what is position X and position Y? I think I have a UI script somewhere that deals with that. Gamepad scrolling. Rect.height, local position. So I guess maybe I can just use local position. Let's see if this works for random scale. I think I could do size delta, but scale should work too. So now when we get hurt, this should display a random blood splat on the screen. And then I guess I will add something to disable it. I don't know if I should just do this by adding delta time. I guess that would work. time we disable the blood splat. I could fade it out, which would probably be better, but so I don't think it... Oh, there we go. It kind of works. So I wonder if it's the negative 512. I guess I could debug by enabling it and setting it here. Okay, so scaling does work too, that's nice. At least it works though, that's cool. Oh, forgot to disable it. I'm thinking I should make the ow sound effect scary. Like, I don't know, make it be like a high-pitched scream or something. Let's try taking one of these other ow sound effects and doing something with it. Ow. Ugh. That one actually is weird, but it works. Let me try something. What if we did that and then we like raised the pitch of it? That's probably gonna be too much. It's gonna be like a high pitch. Definitely too high pitch. Let's try editing it though. I don't think Audacity shows up here. Yeah, disappointing. Gonna turn it off Windows API because it sometimes runs into issues. So I want to do some sort of like layering effect. I think chorus is what I'm going for. I don't know where that is. I swear to God they have a chorus effect here. Am I just blind? Or am I thinking about a different program? Oh my god, this is so fucking annoying that I can't click this without... Oh my god, when I click the menu to make this menu go up or down, it double clicks the Windows scroll... Fucking Windows window bar and minimizes and maximizes the window. Jesus Christ. So I think I might actually be looking to use LMMS for this. Okay, so there's a plugin for a chorus effect. Yeah, so Audacity, man, I must be thinking of like LMS or something. That's so weird. There's no chorus. Man, it's so weird. People say Audacity is like insanely powerful. It actually is missing so many like things that are just like handled already by VSTs. Holy fuck. And it's like this fucking UI doesn't work properly. Closing every whenever you like, it's literally like, it literally forces you to move slowly. So maybe echo and distortion. Loud is scary, you know? Shit, I did not mean to apply that. Sounds like a robot. Yeah, it's interesting, like relative to like VST plugins and stuff, Audacity actually doesn't have that much. Let's see what we can do. I actually haven't taken a any sort of soundtrack into LMMS for a while. Oh my god, is it gonna make us drop it in an audio file processor? Oh my god, it doesn't even support drag and drop. Are you fucking joking me, man? Like, are you actually kidding me? LMMS audio file processor drag and drop. So many basic things just not supported, dude. Drag and drop files. Imagine not supporting drag and dropping files in 2021 in your fucking audio editor program. That's how you know this software is made by users on Linux who are used to typing everything in the command line. Drag and drop literally isn't a concept to a bunch of these people. So I need to find it through this file browser in LMMS. And LMMS's file browser is fucking horrible and doesn't even support finding your quick. It doesn't even support like showing you your quick folders or like anything that you have saved. It's kind of shit, man. Like, actually really fucking bad. It kind of get disappointed with LMS the more I use it. Like, basic shit that's just missing. Like, I don't know how the devs don't realize letting you just directly drag and drop files. So there's actually a suggestion that I think was good. Someone said you can use an external VST that allows you to drop files. So I could actually get a custom VST for playing audio files. Just for playing audio files, something that should be supported out by default, but three good things and three bad things about LMS. Close to no drag and drop, having a bad file explorer, very limited sample chopping, no in-dot recording. Yeah. This guy actually has said he's implemented features that I felt were missing. Yeah, it's good to see though that most of the people agree on the same bad things. Like automate, how I was complaining this morning about automation not being good. Hopefully they'll fix that up. Is there no way for me to drag this track from here to here? Like, oh my god, dude. So many basic things just completely fucking lacking in support. Alright, so let's try adding some VSTs to this. I'm not even sure what some of these effects do, so I'm just sort of testing it out. Jesus. No, wait. Does that actually remove vocals from things? I actually want to try that karaoke plugin at some point. It's called karaoke, but I think it actually means like removing vocals from things, which is insane. You could go back in the years to 1931. I don't know what this does. What is identity? A bunch of these plugins seem like they don't do anything. I wonder if they're like broken or... Okay, there we go. That's it. That's actually decent. Now it's too big, so I might need to, I'm probably going to need to modify it in Audacity again and cut off. It almost sounds like someone sneezing. I'm not sure if I like that higher or lower pitch. And I kind of feel like I want to slow it down. I swear to God there is an option here to change playback rate, but I guess not. That's too many, yeah. Alright, we're just gonna go with that. Now let's see how that sounds. I think it'll be too long. Dude, Unity definitely has a little bit of lag when I keep booting it up. Like, I don't know what's happening. It just starts, like, having a little bit of lag. Alright. Okay, that is better. I think we're just gonna work on the boss fight then from now. I think all we've got now to work on is the boss fight, or all we're gonna focus on. Oh yeah, and I probably need to set up all this stuff like the blood splatter and the different levels. This is the really annoying thing about Unity. that I really hate in Unity's workflow is having to set up all of these references. Like, I know there's probably a way that you could like do workarounds and program stuff yourself, but I'm like, man, I don't use Unity to program a bunch of workarounds myself. That really sums up my Unity experience. I don't use an engine, a mainstream AA engine, just so that I do a bunch of programming and make things myself just to work around stuff in the Unity engine. I think that's everything set up. I feel like I might be forgetting Starting Forest Underground boss. I think that's it. What is test? Oh, this is an old... This is an old version of the map. I guess I can delete this. I don't actually have it included anywhere, do I? No. Oh my god, that would actually be so bad if that somehow deleted something from here. Alright, we're just going to test out what we're going to work on and focus on now is the boss fight. I'll be right back though. I'm going to go get some water, take a quick break. Then I'll be back and we'll work on this. All right. So I think we're gonna first add this Queen audio source. And we will do spatial blending. So I think I'm gonna play this initially when the player enters. So when the player first enters, play the alert, and then each time it gets damaged, then we will also play the alert. And maybe I'll lower the pitch each time. Okay, let's see how this works. So you can kind of like see the queen before you walk out. Should trigger it. I'm also trying to check if there's a way that you can get out of here without triggering the queen, because that would be a bug. I think I got it placed pretty well, but maybe not. Oh my god, maybe actually. You can jump up. Oh my god. I think you can actually scuff it. No, never mind. So I couldn't even hear the queen alert. Alright, so this is pretty hard for a boss fight. Or I mean, for a boss fight, I don't know about that, but it's harder than a lot of the other stuff in the game. Shit, I died. So let's check if it's playing this. Alert.play. Excuse me. I wonder if the fall off for this is too high. Maybe try turning down the spatial blend. Or maybe not play the background music until afterwards. Not play the background. Yeah, I feel like I should delay the background music. Is there like a play delayed? Oh my god, there's a play delayed. Plays the clip with delay specified second. It's actually kind of perfect. gonna turn up the ow because it does also seem to be quiet. I should make it so that the player can walk up more of these slopes. It would make it easier and feel smoother. See if this works. We'll play the noise. No, it bugged and got stuck. God damn it, I died again. Alright, so I really need to either script this to work properly or... Let's see, what does this script look like? Maybe you need to increase the range that it works. So that one works. Worked! Nice. I think I just got myself stuck. Nope. I'm gonna get myself stuck here, I'm betting it. Yeah. So I gotta add an unstuck button here. I really gotta add an unstuck button to the menu. It does look like it works, though. Alright, cool. So we're gonna stop the music when it dies. And actually at a certain point... hold on, I want to change this. So I think this enables other people 1 first. And I actually want it to enable other people 0 first. So what we can just do for that is flip this around to other people 0 here and other people 1 here. And then if HP equals 0. See, okay, man, this is what I hate. So I want to change, I guess I'll test this in the build. I want to have the crystals stop glowing completely when you kill the boss. So I have the material set to disable the emission color. But then this completely changes the materials permanently. Apparently Unity treats materials as prefabs, or sorry, as asset, like serializable objects basically, where when you change them it automatically saves. So if I change this right now while I'm playing the game, it'll permanently change the crystals for the rest of the game. Like if I set this emission color here at the end of this boss fight, the crystals in like one of my other scenes will change color, which is just such a horrible system for doing that. Like, it's the complete opposite of what you want to happen when you're trying to customize these materials, but all right. So I want to add a little audio thing to this of the people saying, "Hey, over here," or some shit like that. I think I should add subtitles. So like that's the issue, is if I'm gonna have some people like yelling from up here saying like, "Hey, over there," I should put some subtitles at the bottom of your screen or the overlay image that says like, "Hey, over here." That's the issue, is it's like the added complexity. Overall, though, it is like I am pretty happy with it. It is at the point, I believe, where we can just play through the game. I think we're gonna do a playthrough right now and see how it feels. See how it goes. Oh my god. Dude, my fucking stream literally just started dropping frames. The second I'm like, let's play through this shit. Whatever. This is actually a good time to, it's not a big deal if the stream misses out on this. So we're just gonna... We're gonna play through this. I'm gonna start a timer. What the hell? Why did that just open up on my other... Okay, I'm so confused. Oh! Why doesn't it lock in the mouse? What the hell? I guess the mouse locking bugs when you go between scenes in Unity. Kinda weird, because I thought that worked. I guess I'll just hope that that works properly in the build. You're making a horror game? It's supposed to be kind of creepy, not necessarily horror. I don't think I did that good of a job doing jump scares or anything. Fuck. I died. God damn it. I started this back in October for Devtober, which is where you just make a game for the sake of just finishing a game. But now it's almost the end of November. Well, if it looks creepy, then that's, then thank you. It is almost done. I'm doing like a playthrough right now to just see if there's any more bugs. Sometimes people are just perfectionists. Yeah, this whole, like, so for the past 2 weeks, the whole discussion has been about polish and how you could could work on this for every, like, there's no such thing as it being done or 100% polished. There's always gonna be like little, I don't know, or as I said, like, I think I said it perfectly a few days ago, until we have like infinite poly count on computers, then it's like, I literally couldn't even make a perfect game if I wanted to, because it would run at like 1 FPS. This is so cheap though, because I know where all of the things are. That's the thing. I'm really interested to hear from other people playing the game. If anyone plays it, if I have a feeling it might actually be too difficult. Like, the huge issue is that I know exactly what's behind every corner. And like, I have trouble going through this. Like, I got two health points out of 5 right now, and I know where everything is. So like, a new player, I feel like would have been dead already, like, many times over. I'm gonna fucking die here. I am gonna die here. Dude, I suck at my own game. I can't see, I see, because I don't know game development. I guess, yeah, it's also personal preference. Some people might actually like a scuffed, imperfect game like this better. Are you going to release this anywhere? Yeah, on itch.io and my website. And it is going to be open source. All of the stuff is going to be, all the code and art and everything is going to be in a zip file. And like, I made all the music and stuff, so it's also like LMMS project files for the audio. I mean, it makes sense since it's like, for Devtober, it's about learning. And it's like, then if other people can learn off my game. Okay, so that's the key there. You just walk straight through there. So yeah, this is gonna be legit difficult. I think I'm gonna need to change the balancing of this. See, that's the difficult thing, is it's like balancing around myself who already knows worth it. This part, this is actually a part that it doesn't matter if you're a new player or not. This is randomly falling rocks. So even though I know that it's falling rocks, it doesn't it doesn't necessarily help me block them. I have figured out, though, that hugging the wall does make it easier. And I know this looks really, really dark on stream. It is supposed to be disorienting on purpose. So, like, that's the thing about this. I don't know if it's called creepy, but it's supposed to be like a game that disorients you. Oh fuck, it was so close. We're getting close to the boss fight, though. I'm also just making a note in my head of stuff I want to change, so like, back there at the falling rocks, I noticed that when I died, it didn't have time to like display anything or play any music. It just instantly teleported the player back. I'm gonna have it play like a little animation where the player falls, or like, yeah, I don't know, falls over on his head or something. Definitely try this game when it's released. That would be amazing. Anyone playing it is awesome. Man, it is annoying the heck out of me. This last jump is supposed to be like the easiest, and I'm just missing it over and over and over again. The worst thing about this is this could actually be impossible, and I'm just trying over and over again, and it's not even possible. I guess this is how game devs stretch out their games, though. This will turn a 10-minute game into a 30-minute game. Just make the player fail 5 times in a row. There we go. Oh yeah, I want to add like a dialogue thing to that dead body that says like, "This was the local farmer Tom, he is dead." Alright, and this is the way to the boss fight. Let's go. Let's see if I can actually beat my own game. Like the glowing stones? Thank you. That's supposed to be the aliens' crystal. I don't know what the fuck they are. They're crystal aliens. Came in a meteor or something. The music got me. Like scared you got you? Scared you? Good, good. Yeah, we're gonna kill this. It's dead. We won. Oh, you know what I should do? Oh my god, I just figured out the solution. So I have a bug where these crystals are supposed to stop glowing when you kill it. But yeah, it's a bug where it doesn't. I just realized how I can do it. I can change the materials instead of directly setting the emission color. And I can't remember if I scripted this ladder or not, so I'm going over to walk to it. Oh, fuck. Okay, I did program it to, okay, there we go. Dude, the game is actually done. How long did that take? Okay, so that was 13 minutes. Kind of short. Actually, really short. I kind of thought it was going to take longer than that. But, hey, you know what? It's a game. And that was like speed running it. I know where everything is. I bet it'll take a real player like 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. If I'm playing it, it's going to take a bit longer. Yeah, that's the thing. So that's the issue. Is there's some stuff where like it might literally be really hard because I have a bad sense of direction. It's also, as like a game dev, I know where everything is, so when I design this, like I automatically walk towards where stuff is because I already know where it is. And yeah. Alright, so we're gonna have this go to the credits, but I don't have a credit scene yet, so just have to go back to the main menu. There was something I wanted to do here. I guess I'll fix the crystal thing I talked about. I think just right here you need to have a reference to the mesh renderer or skin mesh renderer and then change all these materials. I have a really bad sense of direction and really bad at jumping. Oh yeah, so this game is specifically called Hopton's Trip because you hop tons. Like half the game is hopping. So I think what I can just do is unlit crystal mat and then I don't even need to set the skin mesh renderer. We can just, when this dies, we can get skin mesh renderer, get component in children, and then we should be able to loop through all the materials and set those. Ah shit, this is going to take me a long time. It shouldn't be longer than 45 minutes, since it's pretty linear. Like, there, you just walk a straight path, and the actual difficult parts would be in dodging the things that jump at you. Like, the only thing that's going to make it take longer than 30 minutes is if you keep dying to the jumping spiders that attack your face. Then you'll just keep getting reset at checkpoints. But it shouldn't be that hard. That's the thing. See if this works. Actually, I'm not going to see if this works because I would have to kill it over again just to see if it would work, and I am not going to do that again. I'm going to go and polish another part of it, and then we'll play through it again to see. I think I'm going to hop off here. It's getting late for me. Well, I'll see you around. You must be on the other end of the world, because it is right in the morning for me here. Nice to see you around. Bye-bye, and thank you for the raid the other day. I'm in Japan. Oh yeah, okay. Well, I hope it's nice in Japan right now. Hope you can finish the game soon. It should be done today or tomorrow. Night night. It's getting cold. Well, man, the cold makes me sleep better. I don't know if that's just me. Guess it makes you makes me like cozy or something. Okay, I said I wanted some vocal effects for someone saying like "hey" over here. God damn it. So I bookmarked a thing for, hold on. I'm just gonna look through my my bookmarks. I swear to God, I have somewhere a bookmark for voice or audio. I can't remember what it is. It's text to speech, I want to say. It's like Amazon TTS or something that has free voices that you can use. It's actually decent. And it has like XML highlighting for games and things. Game dev friendly TTS. Web TTS for commercial use. Oh, I want to say it was one from Amazon because it was actually oh, here we go, freetts.com. This looks alright. Commercial use somewhere here. Free for commercial use. Convert to MP3. So this wasn't the one. This wasn't the one I was using. Yeah, I don't like that you have to convert it to an audio file first. I like how many things are allowing commercial use these days. It's really nice. Oh yeah, I think this one doesn't support commercial use. Does not claim ownership. Oh man, I wish... Dude, what happened to the one... Man, I should have made a goddamn blog post. Or like, this is what I've started figuring out is good. When I find like a big resource like this of some like text-to-speech voices, instead of like doing whatever I do with it, where like I bookmark it and then I lose it, I should make a blog post and post on my website, because I always keep going back to these blog posts on my website where it's just like saved links. Yeah, damn. Best free text-to-speech websites. Oh damn, we're dropping frames. Do we have to create audio file? We can't preview it first? God damn it. You can't just like listen to it? Fuck man, this is what I hate about all these websites. They need a preview or something. Yeah, none of these allow commercial. So all the good ones don't allow commercial use. Damn.
Conscious of its spiritual and moral heritage, the Union is founded on the indivisible.
So that's interesting. That's supposed to be IBM Watson. That's amazing, and it actually doesn't sound that amazing. responsible. You are authorized to use this application for your own purposes, not intended to be used for productive or commercial purposes. Fuck. Dude, yeah. Was it the Amazon Poly demo, maybe? I'm almost thinking I might just try to record it with my voice, and then I'll just edit it to try to sound like something else. So this is actually a good post on it. It has a bunch of different solutions. Register for speech alone, what I do currently, very manually. The person talking is an AI. Beta tester for semantics. It was pretty good though. Still need a way to go to be production ready. However, more capable of making. Let's check out this guy's.
The boot up will take a moment as the craft has not been flown in a bit.
Yeah, that's pretty good. I have no affiliation with Semantic, but I'd like to share my experiences. Used one of their voices. Let's check out this person's game. Despair Alley. Oh, so Obsidian used this for whatever, is that, fuck, what's that game called? It's like Outer Worlds or some shit. Cascade, Direct Deliver. Get advice from an expert team. Well, it's used by a lot of studios, that's good.
They age like fine wine, mixing the music with the soothing smell of burned tobacco and the sharp sense of alcohol. This really is my home.
Wow, that's actually a really good AI voice. Dude, what the fuck? Does it... It actually has... How is it... This is actually a decently rendered person. Like, you can tell it's just distorting their face to create a pseudo 3D look. But this is actually nuts.
Testing 1, 2, 3.
What the fuck, man? Okay, that one looks way worse than her. Oh my god. Does it say... Okay, where are their terms of use? Needs to have... Okay, it should have... I guess we'll look at try it for free. Okay, this is weird. They don't have anything about commercial use on here. And I think this is,
Testing 1, 2, 3.
These are just generic
Testing 1, 2,
TTS
3.
voices. These people aren't even doing anything, like, significant.
Testing 1, 2, 3.
Testing 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, I don't want any of these plain TTS voices. It would be cool if there's actually a, like, free deep learning text-to-speech solution. Can we use Google Voice Synthesizer to record samples for commercial games? As far as I can tell, it's entirely meant to be used for commercial products. Free quota per month. If you use it in your game, they suddenly decide, no, you cannot use that. They'll send you a notice, but that seems unlikely. Yeah, so I think you're just... Damn. That's kind of disappointing. I don't... Man, I wish I found the link to the website I had before. It was like a free text-to-speech website, but it wasn't the generic, like, Google or whatever it is, robotic text-to-speech voices. It was actually, like, free neural network TTS voices, and they sounded legitimately good. Alright, well, so I am like, my stream is basically dropping frames like crazy. So it kind of makes me want to end the stream right here, go do something else for an hour or two. Not sure if I want to just keep streaming and wait through it and see if it loads. I also, yeah. Hey, over here! Hold on. There's some background noise getting picked up by my mic. Maybe it's just me moving around. Hey, over here! Okay, now can we make this sound less like a 20-year-old guy trying to sound like a girl? That is the question. I don't think we can, but we'll try it. Hey, over here! Hey, over here! Hey, over here! I think what I actually want is an equalizer. Hey, over here! I'm assuming these lower to the left is lower. Hey, over here. Hey, over here. Hey, over here. Sounds like fucking Mickey Mouse. Hey, kids. Hey, over here. Hey, over here. Hey, over here. Hey, over here. Hey, over. This EQ doesn't seem to work very well. Hey, over here. I kind of want to go into LMMS. I really think the effects in LMMS are so much better. Like, hey, over here. Hey, over here. You know, that sounds so distorted. Oh my god, this menu is so goddamn annoying. Alright, now we're chipmunks. Hey, over here! 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 Damn, my internet is like super unstable right now. It's like I'm not dropping frames and then I am dropping frames. Hey, over here. 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 So there's like a bit of a wah wah, and I'm wondering if we can actually remove the wah wah using any of these filters. No. Hey, over here. 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 No, that's going to be included kind of anyways with the reverb. Because there's going to be reverb. I guess we could just export this.
Hey, over here!
And just go with that. What? Did that just overwrite? That just overwrote the audio source right here. God damn it. So can you not have more than one audio source? No, I knew you could have more than one audio source. That's so weird. So then, right when we stop the music at the end, we'll play this delayed by like half a second, so right a bit after the music stops. Actually, this should be a spatial audio source, now that I think about this. It should 100% be a spatial audio source. I think that'll work. Okay. I actually think it's pretty much good. So I think I want to add an unstuck button to the pause menu. And unstuck will just respawn you from the last checkpoint. Okay, now we'll have an unstuck button. So let's how do we want to check this? I guess we'll set player respawning to true. And then we'll do... I'm just going to assume that loaded save is set. So it should automatically just respawn when we reload the level. But let's test that out just to be sure. Oh yeah, I also want to add a dying animation. Okay. Then the player script. Hold on though, I'm gonna go get some water. And I've been dropping frames for like probably like 20 minutes now, so the stream's lagging. Yeah. Hopefully it'll be fixed when I'm back. It did seem to clear up yesterday after a bit, but we'll see. So, I'm adding the dying animation, or a very short one. I think I should probably, like disable interaction and some more stuff when you're actually dying, but hey, let's see if it works. Or let's see if it bugs out is a better way of putting it. Nice, it actually works. You fall over dead. That's good, that's good. Alright. I need to fix this respawn point. Wait, so that is why. Oh, because this is flipped. Oh my god, okay. So let's see if we can just fix this by doing 90. We want to get this to match up straight with where you're going. Okay, that is completely wrong. That's better. Okay. Now I want to go to the other spot in here to make sure it resets in the right direction. Damn. I just dropped to like 500 kilobits per second bitrate. It is... my internet's getting worse. Fuck. Okay, so it starts you in the right direction. That is actually bad. To start. so that turned me around. That's a bit too far. Alright, nice. So we can just set that to 0. Let's go to the next stumble zone. Wherever that is. Should be like right here. Oh, right here in Crystal Chasms. Global rotation or let's check if this is right or wrong. That's turned over to the side. Oh, okay, it worked. This one might actually be alright. That one's alright. Alright, cool. Let's put the player back at the start. Alright, I think it's just the credits now. So I guess we'll just do like a black screen. Honestly though, I think I'm gonna end the stream for now. I'm gonna go like work out or something, do something else. Since we're the stream basically isn't even live. It's dropping a giant number of frames. So I'll come back in like 2 hours, 3 hours at like 1 p.m. EST. Hopefully the internet will be better. Hopefully whatever it is they're repairing or working on will be good in the next few days. All we have to do now is basically the credits scene, or at least all I'm thinking we need to do. I'm thinking we'll play through it again and I'll find a few more things to polish. Yeah, dropping, I just back. Yeah, it's really dropping. It's actually getting worse. I was hoping it was going to get better. It is getting worse. So yeah, hopefully the internet people are maintaining whatever it is they're supposed to maintain. But yeah, when I come back, we should be finishing the game this afternoon, doing a credits screen, and then that's pretty much it. Then it's going to be like uploading it to itch.io and setting up the source code release and stuff like that. Maybe uploading the source on Bitbucket or wherever. We'll see. Alright, bye-bye. Thank you for watching. I'll see you around. I hope everyone else's internet isn't dropping. Yeah. Have a good day, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are. If you want to see any of these VODs or past live streams, they're uploaded to YouTube. If you have any questions about any of the development or stuff, I'm on Discord or Twitter. Yeah. See you around. Bye-bye.